Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, live here at our Robinson Experience Center. I'm going to go over a couple Bosch dishwashers that a lot of times don't get reviewed, but definitely two that you're going to want to consider. One is going to be the Benchmark Series 800 dishwasher. The 800 series and the Benchmark. We're going to look at the Benchmark here. This is a model SHP 88 PZ55, and we're also going to look at the model SHP 878 PZ5. So we'll take a look at that as well, and I could be off on the model numbers a bit, so we'll confirm that a little later here. But the first model we're going to go over is the Benchmark. So this Benchmark unit, if you notice, it's a nice clean look. So it's designed to go with any other manufacturer's appliances that you may have in the kitchen. It's going to have a recessed handle, okay? So it's going to be nice so when you're walking by, you don't have a towel bar that's protruding out that may catch your slacks or your shorts, your pants. So it's a nice clean installation. Inside, you'll see the controls will be at the top. Okay, so you're going to have your on-off all the way down feature-wise. What's great about this dishwasher and most Bosch units, they have this automatic feature. And essentially what that does is it, through the turbidity sensor that's inside the dishwasher, will determine how clean or dirty your wash water is. So that's going to determine your cycle times. So what you're going to find on this particular unit, as it shines a light on the floor showing you exactly what the cycle time is, that's going to adjust pretty frequently. And then you're going to have a couple other options like a half load option, crystal dry, which is for delicate items. But this unit's also going to have a Bosch exclusive. And what that is their Zeolite technology. And long story short on that is, in the back right corner of the dishwasher, there's going to be these little Zeo type crystals that are going to take the moisture that's inside that dishwasher, and they're going to absorb that and cause drying to be much, much better than what you're going to find in a non-heating element dryer. So this is the best drying system in terms of efficiency, in terms of being eco-friendly, and all in all, it's a great drying system. One other major difference between the Benchmark series and the 800 series dishwasher, actually two, excuse me. One is the bottom rack. These are on rollers, okay, which you may or may not be able to hear. There's roller bearings inside each one of these wheels, so it makes it very easy to roll in and out. The other difference is this has a built-in water softener inside the dishwasher. What the water softener is designed to do, it's designed to prevent excessive cloudiness on your dishes, on your glasses, and it also helps the detergent work better, okay? Let's go ahead and turn on this dishwasher. Actually, let me just show you the middle rack real quick. Adjustable middle rack, which both the Benchmark series Bosch and the 800 series Bosch have. Wine glass holders, which are nice. And then you're gonna have on the Benchmark series, this is a load your rack anyway. So you can load this any way you want. If you want to put silverware over here, you can do that. If you want to put small plates, small bowls, you know, any type of sports cup lids, really anything you want to put, you can put up this way. And then I kind of glossed over the bottom rack, but let's go ahead and just show you this real quick. Plates load front to back here, left to right. And these actually that are a little different color, those will actually collapse. So if you have larger type plates or bowls, you can go ahead and adjust that, and then these will adjust down. So there's a lot of flexibility on this unit. The other thing is it's very quiet. At 40 decibels, this is a very quiet dishwasher. And then the other cool feature that I like about this is it's going to show an indicator on the floor exactly how much time is left on the cycle, because it is very, very quiet. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually head over to the other side of the store here to take a look at the 800 series dishwasher. Okay, so this is the Bosch 800 series dishwasher. This is a model SHP 878 ZD5. Okay, this is going to look identical to the Benchmark. From the outside, you're not going to notice a difference. The difference in the two, what you're going to find is that this is going to be 2 decibels noisier, which isn't that much. So it's not a huge difference in terms of sound. You're still going to have the auto wash, which we talked about. You're still going to have a half load, crystal dry. A lot of the same features we had seen on the Benchmark. The difference in the $450 price discrepancy is on the Benchmark, you're getting the water softener, you're getting the roller racks, and you're getting 2 decibels quieter. So for $450, that's the difference. The bottom rack, it's going to have traditional rollers. Not bad to roll in and out of. It's just different from the Benchmark. We don't have the tines in the back that collapse. Okay, that's a minor difference. But we do have tines that do collapse here. Middle rack on here adjusts exactly the same as the Benchmark, along with the wine glass holders that you would put with your stems up. The other difference is this has a true silverware basket versus a load your way type rack. Okay, so I personally prefer this type system because this allows me to put all of my silverware in, and it also allows for the sports cup lids, the individual cooler lids that you may have. And then what we can do is we can kind of eliminate this bottom rack for silverware. So it frees up space here for casserole dishes, cookie sheets, cake pans, things like that. Please be sure to put any comments you have at the bottom. We're hoping you like our video. We love doing these comparisons. If you have any other questions, visit any of our showrooms or go to donsappliances.com. Thanks.